Hi y'all, welcome to Dr. Melissa's Kitchen. Today's episode is really keeping it simple. I'm just gonna show you my version, and yes, it's a little bit more plant-based than the usual. It's gonna be a mushroom cauliflower ramen. Creamy, delicious with miso flavor. So let's get cooking here in my kitchen. We're gonna try some amazing food today. So I have a lot of women who ask me about tofu. They ask me about soy, if it's good, if it's not. It's actually really good. It's full of protein, it's full of fiber, and we're gonna use it today. You can just use soft tofu, but mine's a medium firm, and I'm gonna be air frying it today. What's nice about this is that it's easy, it's versatile, and you can put many flavors in there. I'm going to just show you how I marinate a basic tofu. So let me show you how I season it. Add some black pepper. Now this is garlic. Get a soy sauce of your choice here. This is a gluten-free, less sodium, and add about 1 good tablespoon in there. I'm gonna first put it on this rack for the air fryer. This is where you can just sit back and relax and watch me cook, and then you can try this at home. So this is the minced garlic. Let's get about 1/4 teaspoon in there. I got something here. It's a kombucha squash, one of my favorite squashes. It's really amazing. Yes, it's hard to cut, but the secret to this is putting it in the microwave, pop it in for 10 minutes, and it softens it up really nicely so you can cut right into it. Here you go. And ta-da! It's like one big green pumpkin. It smells so good. So a squash here has all the seeds that you can remove gently. And look how easy that is. All the strings come off just like that, along with the seeds. Squash, pumpkin seeds are really great sources of zinc. So soft, so easy. You don't have to worry about chopping your fingers and asking somebody to cut it up for you. Enoki mushrooms are really important to wash well, but the trick is washing the tips just like this, going closer to the roots, flipping it, doing the other side, making it nice and loose. You just chop away this bottom, getting a nice scissor that chops all of that away. You can use avocado oil, flaxseed oil, both have really high smoke point. Olive oil is about a low to medium smoke point, so you don't want to overcook it and not have too much of a high heat. This is about medium heat, and we're gonna wait till it sizzles. You don't want it too brown because then the garlic will turn bitter. So here it is, minced garlic that's been sauteed here in olive oil. I mixed it in olive oil on medium heat. Remember, you can use avocado oil or flaxseed oil, which is really great for omega-3s with a high smoke point. This is olive oil with a medium smoke point. And it's not too toasty, not burnt. And then you can use the onion of your choice. I'm using red onion. You may use yellow or white onion. You don't have to overthink it. Use what you have. And I'm gonna be putting about 1/2 an onion in this. So let it sizzle. Make sure that your stove is nice and warm, not too hot, and then watch it until you see the onions become a little bit more translucent. This needs a little bit more olive oil because I'm going to be putting the mushrooms soon. Getting an organic miso paste is its natural salt. So today I'm using this mild sodium miso paste. You can get about 2 big tablespoons. It's generous, it makes it nice and tasty. The natural salt. Some people like to use a little of this vegan all-purpose chili oil. If you can handle the spice, you can use that. Okay, it's almost ready. As you can see, the miso paste just disintegrate nicely into the onions and the garlic. The onions are almost ready. And here's when you can just relax. Enjoy the sounds of your cooking because this is your feel-good energy, getting into your feel-good mood. This is looking great. Now let's put some of the mushrooms. We're gonna start with the shiitake mushrooms here. So this is a brown rice ramen. You can use any ramen, but I love using some brown rice. It's not so processed. And you can let it boil to the side while this is cooking. And then as that boils up, we're gonna get that tofu because the tofu is finally ready. It's nice and roasted and crispy, just the way most people like it. This is pretty much done. It's your cauliflower trio mushroom base with miso. And then I'm gonna get a pot of hot water, or for shortcuts, a kettle, and just pour that over very nicely. Let it sizzle. Look at that, it's beautiful. So the kombucha is actually the most interesting and special part of this recipe because it's sweet, it makes you feel nice and full. It's delicious, so I'm gonna add that on top. It's a lot of fun having kombucha in your ramen. You can see it sometimes at hot pot places, at restaurants, and mine is nice and toasted in season. I'm really excited for you all to try this recipe at home. Don't overthink it, just be present with your food, have fun, let it heal you, and we'll see you next time at Dr. Melissa's Kitchen.